to Brooklyn. We're at Leyenda on Smith Street. Here you want to hear a little bit more about us and what we do. Follow me. So this is the dining area where people come and have food as well as cocktails. Over here we have more of a lounge area made out of old church pews. People can come hang, but you didn't come to see the restaurant, you came to see the bar. Let's check it out. So now we're behind the bar. This is Leyenda. We are a Latin American focused cocktail bar. Ivy Mix is one of our owners. She spent some time in Guatemala. So what do you want to know about the bar, what we do best? Latin American spirits, cocktails, making people happy. I really like our back bar. It's not just a shelf. It's got a lot of character and it kind of feels like somebody's really great home bar. One of my other favorite things in the bar is this little ceramic dinosaur. We actually have a really great setup back here. We have Clover Club across the street, and it's really similar. My favorite accessory, probably my knife. Garnish knife is super important. It makes my life really easy. We've got a lot of garnishes. Each cocktail should be as beautiful as it is delicious. To find a good bar back is truly, they can make or break a night, make your night really easy, or you gotta hang on to them. They're unicorns. So now that you've heard a little bit about the bar, let's make a cocktail. We're gonna do a Tiki Sour drink using Matusalem Cuban rum, 2 ounces of that. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Some pineapple syrup, about 1/2 ounce of a blend of vanilla liqueur, passionfruit liqueur, and cinnamon. Add some ice, give it a quick shake. Add some ice to your glass. And then we're gonna garnish it with a pineapple frond. There's your cocktail. Let's go have a drink.